In September, singing a song, we were in September. All right, don't have a fit, that's Earth, Wind, and Fire. Welcome once again to the Man Cave here at Wistful Vistas in beautiful suburban San Diego, California. I don't know why, but I always feel constrained. I always feel like I have to give some kind of a weather report because I know people from other areas of the country and the world watch these, but it's an absolutely beautiful day today, great day. We had a little thunder shower this morning, which is kind of fun. These thunderstorms come up from our south across a local feature here called Black Mountain. Put a little rain down and really make it nice. It's kind of fun to hear that rolling thunder and get these big, fat, juicy summer raindrops. So what's going on in the Man Cave today? We have things I think that will absolutely delight you. But first, we have to report somewhat of a tragedy. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, a tragedy. The tragedy is that my faithful Griot's Garage little step stool that I have used for, well, since before we moved down here. So let's, there it goes, down it goes, back. Can you see me? That I've used for 10 years. One of the wheels has broken. It has shed its tread, is the way to put it. And this handy little guy has been such a good companion over the years. And when I say handy, really handy, because this lower part you can put tools and whatnot into, and it has this really jolly little logo at the top, Griot's Garage. And I'll plug them because their products are very quality, I have to say. So, but still works. It's got a little hitch in its get along because it falls over a little bit, but tragedy strikes the Man Cave. But then some fun stuff happens, and guess what? I guess because I correspond with GoPro now and then, I had access to the GoPro 10. Wow. I didn't even realize it was that close to coming out. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing of the GoPro 10 and see what's in there, and I'll give you a little running account for that. But that's what's going on in the Man Cave today. Later on this afternoon, I'm gonna attempt a little more work with our new friend, the 2021 Aprilia Tuono, but right now we're gonna get to the unboxing and discussion of the GoPro 10. Thanks for tuning in. And recording. Can you see me? I think you can. Better move back here a little bit. The much improved and cleaned Man Cave. I'm not going to show you everything because some of the clutter has returned. We're going to address that later on. But just to note, this is the new iPro 10, the very latest release. Enhanced qualities and resolution and screen capture capabilities all the way around. Now, I had access to buy this. I want to state right off the bat that I am not compensated by GoPro in any way, but I did have access to buy it, and I think I may have been an early one of their earlier customer base to be able to buy this. So it comes in a nice cover thing here. Let's open it up. Oh, sort of a shame to just tear that apart because they did such a colorful job on the packaging. Let's put on my reading glasses here. 23 megapixel picture photo capability, huge. That's huge. More than I really need, to be honest with you. 5.3K at 60 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second. 3 feet, waterproof, 8 times slow-mo, data overlays, voice control, time warp 3.0, 1080p live streaming, something I've never done. Let me know if you'd like me to try that one day. Super photo, raw photos, uploads automatically to the cloud, and mod ready with Hypersmooth 4.0. I believe the 9. By the way, I'm using a GoPro 9 to video this, so it'll be fun. I'm going to switch over after a bit to the GoPro 10. But nice box, very well done, And I have not done a live stream. Would any of you be interested in that? So here is the carrying case for the GoPro. One of these came with the 9, and I found that very handy. Now this is something, this is nice. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. Great idea. You install a GoPro Quick app on your phone, make sure you have internet access, then turn on your GoPro and follow the instructions. So that's a nice thing that they remind people, because there has been some confusion in the past when people have taken their GoPros out of the box and fired them up and had issues. And they even put it on the back of the camera. Here's the new camera. What I really respect about it is that the form and the fit and the batteries are all compatible with the previous generation GoPro 9s. I really like that. You don't have to go out and buy all new battery sets, all new lens sets, and things like that. Another good thing about it with this release is that the GoPro 10 comes already Media Mod and Max Lens Pro Mod compatible. The GoPro 9, I think, was rushed a little bit too quickly to market, and as first released, it was not compatible with the mic dongle, nor the media kit, nor the Max Lens kit. It took them a while, and it also took them a while before they made enough of those to release them and send them out. So kudos to you, GoPro. I think you've done the right thing with the release of this and making sure it's compatible right away. So we have the camera, same form and function, same form and fit as the previous ones. Nice feel to it, nice little rubbery exterior. They retain the fold down famous GoPro holders, the bayonet holders, I guess you would call them. And very lightweight, very nice tactile feel. There's a charging cord that you use so that you can charge it with the battery in the camera. You get one super duper battery. Again, since I'm already a GoPro 9 owner, the 9 batteries will work with this, so that's a very nice little touch. You get the snap-in GoPro holder that they provide, a sticky wicky little curved GoPro holder, and a threaded retaining screw. Now these things, if I can get it out of here, sorry, my big old clumsy hands. These things are quite handy to have. You can hardly have enough of them because they have a habit of being dropped and lost and things like that. Hey, a little note to GoPro. Why not mold these in some colors like blue and green and a bright yellow or something? That way when you drop them and they roll under a cabinet, they're a little easier to spot. Take it. It's a free product idea. And then in the back of the handy carrying kit, have product questions. Now this is, of course, it's in multiple languages, but I don't recall, no need to return your product to the store. I think they get quite a number of product returns as they made the cameras so simple that they can actually be a bit complicated to first start up. So we've got this little booklet in here, and some nice stickers, and we have things. They must know I'm a writer because they've shown where you stick this to the top of your helmet, something I no longer do, and some very basic instructions on the back as to how you load up and take care of it. So that's the GoPro 9 itself, the camera. As I said earlier, it already comes compatible with the previous gen GoPro 10. Sorry, GoPro 10. Sorry, GoPro. It's already compatible with the previous gen peripherals such as the Media Mod Pro and the Max Lens Mod, the two things that I find are essential for the vlogs that I do, and the They even toss in a little 32 gigabyte scan disk memory disk. One can never have enough of these. One of the things I've found is, unfortunately, when these guys go, they just go without explanation and they're done for, and you don't know what happened, and you don't even know how, why, and when it happened until you get back after using your new GoPro and the thing just isn't working anymore. So that's the GoPro 10 unboxing. I'm going to shift over now. I'm going to put a battery in it, and we're going to do a first startup and see what it's like to actually use it. So stand by for that. In the meantime, have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the GoPro 10 unboxing here at Wistful Vistas in beautiful suburban San Diego, California. Back to you soon.